Welcome back to my channel Chemistry Meet Simple for NEET. I am Dr. Lakshmi Subramaniam with a PhD in chemistry. Please do share, subscribe and like my channel. So I think you all have watched my previous sessions of simple tricks for finding electronic configuration of D block and F block elements. So today I am coming up with something new and very useful to you. Have you ever studied a subject or brainstormed an idea only to find yourself with pages of information but no clear view of how it fits together? This is where mind mapping can help. So mind mapping is a useful technique which supports learning, improves information recording and show how different facts and ideas are related and enhances creative problem solving. Mind maps are also good for refreshing information in your mind. When you commit the shape and structure of a mind map to memory, you can often get cues you need to remember the information it contains just by glancing quickly at the map. So today I have come up with the mind map of the D block and F block elements. So here we are having a mind map. So the whole big page and pages of lesson, it's simply, I have shortened it down to this page with all the important points included. So here you can find the D and F block elements. Then here on top you can see the uses of these. Then over this side you can see the D block transition element groups 3 to 12 and their various properties, trends in oxidation states, magnetic properties, formation of colored ions, catalytic properties and all that. Then here you can see the preparation of potassium dichromate, then its important properties and down here inside this orange box is the preparation and property of potassium permanganate KMnO4, and then over on top right side then we have the electronic configuration, oxidation states and then various properties over here like physical properties and chemical properties. So in a nutshell you can just go through this mind map before your exam so that you can have an easy understanding of the topic. So exclusive for you, I'll be making the mind maps of each and every lesson. After I upload the lesson, then you can go through the mind maps and also work out the MCQs. So many students have told me that for NEET exam, even though they prepared well, they couldn't fare or do properly or do well. So what they can do or what tricks they can do just before the exam, board exam, to revise all the lessons. So this is the best method. Just go through the mind map and different sessions I have uploaded and the tricks. Then within no time you will be the master of the subject and you can do it very nicely and quickly, and you can attain a prestigious seat for MBBS as well. So I'll be coming up with another awesome session quickly, and till then thanks for watching. Bye.